Well, we now know it was a 17-year-old girl who was shot and killed in a road rage incident over the weekend. Louise Jean Wilson, who is from just outside of Waco, was on her way to Galveston with two friends. This was on Sunday morning, and that's when she was killed on 45 near Midtown. Investigators say she unintentionally cut off another driver.
She accidentally cut off another driver and she loses her life. This is very pathetic.
And they started shooting. We spoke with Louise's parents. They described the moment they learned that heartbreaking news.
We were all still sleeping, and we saw the flashing lights, and we just thought this isn't going to be good. And the gentleman came in, the police officer, and he just said, you know, your daughter's been shot several times and she's gone. And I was just very confused. It just didn't seem real. We haven't seen Louise yet. It's, you know, it's like she's gone for a sleepover right now and she just hasn't come home yet. I think it's going to be even more real once she's back here in Whitney.
Oh my goodness. Well, investigators have not released any details about that shooter.